Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be my July Boxycharm unboxing and getting ready with me. This month's theme was road tripping, so I will get into that in a few minutes, but I just wanted to go over something really quick with you guys. So I haven't been on YouTube for that long, but I'm noticing now, if you guys like my videos, if you like this channel, if you want to actually get notifications when I post, then down below you can hit the little bell on my channel and that will give you notifications when I post videos. Otherwise you might not even see my videos at all because the algorithm is all messed up now. You have to have like at least 1,000 subscribers or something to like be considered to like be on the featured page or something. So really quick before I jump into today's video, if you like this channel, if you like my videos, if you like me, then go ahead and hit the bell down below to get my notifications so you'll see when I post. And with that being said, let's get into today's video to see how I got this look. Alright, see you in a second, guys. Hey guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into the box. My July Boxycharm unboxing and get ready with me. So this month's theme was road tripping. So let's see what we got in here. So the first thing we have is this Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Under Eye Depuffing Gel. And this retails for $42. $42. Wow. I'll put that on first. I already have my primer and moisturizer on. I want you guys to see because it comes out orange. I'm just going to buff that out on my finger. Okay, the next thing we have is this eyeshadow palette from Crown Brush brand. It's called the Crown Pro Fuego eyeshadow collection, and this is what it looks like inside. I've already dabbled into it just a little just to test it out. This one retails for $29.99. I'm just adding it up as I go here. $42.99. Okay, we'll be using that today, of course. The next thing we have here is this Wander Beauty mascara, the Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. Just by looking at it, it looks kind of cool. It's like in a tube, like plastic tube rather than just like a regular tube, if that makes sense. This retails for $24. $24. The next thing we have here is this Note Cosmetics blush in the shade Desert Rose. This retails for $11.99, and I've already peeked at this one. It's like a peachy blush, which I love. I'm not really into like bright pink blushes, so that works for me. Then the last thing we have here is this Cella Beauty eyebrow cream. Now I'm gonna try this out, of course, but I'm not sure how it's gonna work because I'm so used to using my dip brow, but we'll give it a try. This retails for $26. And at first I thought they sent me an empty thing because this is what it looks like, and then I was like, okay, so where is the product? And it's in here. So I'm going to get into that in 1 second here. But so this month's box retails for $133.98. And once again, you're only paying $21 for the box, free shipping, And we got 5 products in this box this month. So, without further ado, let me go ahead and attempt to use this eyebrow cream. Now it looks like it's in a pretty dark shade, which is good because I use the shade Ebony for my brows. And it has this little applicator. It's a little thick, but let's go ahead and try because I want to give it a shot. Let me just brush these the way I want them. But if all goes to hell, I'm going to just jump in with my dip brow per usual. So let's give it a shot. I'm scared. Okay. Hello? Are you supposed to do your eyebrows with this, or is, oh shit, oops. Or is it just supposed to be a cream? Oops. Not the worst. Let me see. I don't know if this is it supposed to be add some wow to your brows. This innovative eyebrow cream effortlessly defines and shapes your brows with this creamy consistency and built-in brush. The velvet-like formula makes blending easy, then sets, giving you the perfect brows that'll last all day and all night. So maybe I should just do my brows how I normally do them and then put that on top. It sounds like it's more of like a setting cream, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna just go in with my brows regularly then. It looks like it definitely has a tint to it. You can see the difference, but I don't know. I'll go in after because I like a dark defined brow. Looking brows, but we'll work on it. So now I guess I'll go in with this stuff. I accidentally went like this and just dumped the whole entire brush into there. Accident. So maybe this is like a cream. So I'm just setting my brows with it, I guess. Maybe it doubles as like a gel as well to keep your brows in place, which I don't mind that. Let me just conceal these real quick, and I always use my L'Oreal True Match. Oops. I just went over my whole brow. Conceal the rest of my face while we're here. The H Rewind. I just bought this a couple days, like a week ago, and I've already used like half of it. I just love concealer. So let me just set my face really quick with this Coty Airspun. Get it all over myself. Okay, so I already did this eye off camera really quick, so just so this video is not super long, so I'm going to go ahead and prime this eye with the Shadow Insurance here. Just the tiniest bit, just so my lid is a little tacky. And blend this out. So this is going to be a super like neutral but like glam little look I'm going to use. So let's go ahead and swatch the palette first. So I'll just go from the top row. There's no shade names either, but there's the white here. There's like, it's like half shimmer and half matte. So there's the top row. I know you can kind of hardly see the iridescent white, but oh my god, I love that. This last shade right here, oh my god. And then the bottom row. Just swatching it really quick and then I will show you guys. It's dark. And okay. There we go. Bam. That's a whole palette. And this is the Crown Beauty, what is it? Crown Brush. So let's go ahead. I'm going to go with this shade right here. Where's, oh, this one right here is my transition shade. Then I'm going to go in with this deeper shade here to kind of define the crease a little. And I'm using BH Cosmetics brush for this. And then I'm going to deepen it up even more with this shade and this shade. And just kind of put that one all over my lid, this burgundy color. Then for our lid, we're going to go in with this like rose gold color here. And this is yet again another BH Cosmetics brush. And then I'm going to grab this copper shade right here that I swatched that was like, that's really pretty too. And then I'm going to grab the same, this is a Morphe M503 that I grabbed the dark colors on, and then just kind of blend that out. And then I'm going to take a mix of this shade and the darker burgundy shade and go underneath the eye. Light first and then darker. We're going to grab the lightest shade here and pop that right on our inner corner. And right on the brow bone. Bam! So that is the eye look I created with the palette from this month's Boxycharm. Now I'm just going to go ahead and brush away the beak I had. You know, I have a sweat mustache. And this is the brush I got from like a couple boxes ago too. We are going to use this blush. So this is what it looks like. And it's a nice neutral peach color, which I love. And I just realized it has this little brush in here too. So I haven't used that yet. It's so cute. Let's go ahead. I guess I'll use the brush. Let's see. Why do they put these in here? That literally looks awful. Let me grab a real brush. So yeah, don't recommend the brush in there. And then we can veil it out, as Lipstick Nick and Jeffree Star call it, with some powder, just so it's not as intense, since right now it's a little much. And this is a Rimmel Stay Matte powder, just to go over that a little. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with this e.l.f. liner really quick, just to line the eye. Inside of my eye, my waterline with this e.l.f. cream liner. Now, before we get into anything else, I'm going to go ahead and set the face with the Urban Decay. I'm almost out of. And I just got this brand new highlighter from Wet n Wild. I'm going to try out in Blossom Glow. I have the other one, Precious Petals. This one's more up my alley because it's a little whiter and has like a peach undertone. I'm going to use some lashes. I just got these brand new ones from the Makeup Shack, Kelley and Dubai. These are definitely more up my alley because I like the fluffy effect, but then these ones look a little bit more wispy. Ooh. I don't know, I feel like these ones will look a lot better. So let me open these up real quick. Alright, so while those get tacky, let's go in with this mascara unlashed from Wander Beauty, Volume and Curl Mascara. Now it has the wand that looks like this. It's like nice and curled, perfect for your lashes. Anymore. So this look is pretty much complete. I'm going to go ahead and put on this lip by Jeffree Star, a new one. It's called Thick as Thieves. More highlighting. This completes today's look with everything from the Boxycharm. This month's Boxycharm. I'm getting major like fall vibes. Honestly, here are my final thoughts. So honestly, I wasn't that excited about this box because like the main reason I subscribe to Boxycharm is because I'm getting like luxury brands most of the time, like Sephora brands, like, you know, what did I get last month? I don't remember. What did I get last month? Was this from last month? Well, you know what I mean, just like super well known, like famous brands, I guess, like Ofra I got last month, Pure Cosmetics. But anyways, I never heard of this brand for the eyeshadow, but I honestly really like it. This look came out, like, this is, I've been using this palette beforehand, like for work. I really like that. So even though I was expecting kind of more from this month's Boxycharm, I am happy with it. I was a little hesitant on whether to or not to film, just because I wasn't sure, because I wasn't that impressed at first. But after using all the products, I'm pretty happy with it. This blush, I've never heard of this brand either, but I really like this corally orange neutral blush. Like I said, I don't really like the hot pink ones. This eyebrow thing, I'm not really that sure of. I used it pretty much to set my brows, so we'll see about that. This, no more baggage. I do kind of struggle with getting like dark circles, not really puffy, but dark circles. I used this during the video. I mean, it looks good to me, so that works. And I really did like this mascara as well. It works really good for my lower lash line. So altogether, I was kind of like about the box when I saw the previews, but it actually did end up working out. I was able to create this, let's just say, like pre-fall summer glam with it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked this look and enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one.